Welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to capture pets in 7 Deadly Sins Origins. So first, when you're out exploring the world, keep an eye out for small animals or creatures in the wild. Not all of them can be captured, but the ones that can usually won't attack you and will try to run away instead. To capture them, you'll need the right item. This could be something like bait or a capture tool depending on the pet. And once you have that ready, you want to approach the animal slowly. If you rush in, you might scare it off. Also, you can definitely craft potions for this. And when you're close enough, you'll get the option to interact or capture. Go ahead and use your capture item, and if it's successful, the pet will be added to your collection. Now, sometimes it won't work on the first try, especially with rare pets. In that case, just try again and make sure you're using the correct bait for that specific creature. Once captured, pets can give you small bonuses, help with exploration, or just be great companions to have while playing. And basically, that's it. Capturing pets in 7 Deadly Sins Origin is all about finding the right creatures, using the correct items, and approaching them carefully. So, if you found this helpful, don't forget to hit that like button, subscribe for more quick guides, and I'll see you in the next one. Thanks!